Hi everyone, I'm Linda from Banjo's Bead House and welcome to What's in the Box. And this time we are discussing our January 2026 bead inspiration box. Now, this is the first time we've actually done a bead inspiration box. So we don't have any seed beads in it, and it's designed for our customers who are playing around with other types of jewelry rather than working with a needle and thread with seed beads. So we took everyone's feedback on board and we created a bead box this year. So I've used the same graphic inspiration as the seed bead box, which started off with this lovely coastal image. And from there, I've drawn colors out based on that graphic, not necessarily all five of those colors represented, but elements from that image is what has inspired the color selection, as well as the project that I created for this particular box. So I'm going to tip you down and we will take a look at what was in the box. So as we've done for all of our seed bead ones, we created our little insert. So this one has the little sneak peek graphic for the bead box. And on the back, we had all of our contents as well as the little QR code for everyone to access the project video for this particular box. So let me take you through what was in the box. So kind of couldn't resist doing a resin starfish when I saw that come up. It just was really on trend. And it could be a fun little piece to either seed bead embroider around, which I know is not the intention of this box, or work out a funky pendant tie, or just leave on your desk as a fun little piece of seaside inspiration. This is about having some fun. You also have some 8mm firecrackle agate, which has been dyed in lovely shades of blue. We have some 6mm aquamarine stone beads, and that's a full strand. We have some fun wooden disc beads in a size 15. These are a coin bead, and there is two shades of blue. We have a new bead that's coming into this store range, very appropriate for sea inspiration. These are lovely matte bicones in a matte cream, a sky blue, and a sea green. And they have tiny little gold flecks that kind of reminds me of sand on tumbled glass. So really fun new little project. So an easy project coming into the box is a starfish cabochon, which you could just glue straight into the provided setting and then use the wax cord necklace setting, a necklace that's already finished, and you have an instant pendant. So a really nice, quick and easy project. We have a breakaway clasp and two different colors of nylon cords, which is for one of the projects that I'm taking you guys through. Some other fun beads in the box. We have some synthetic turtles, synthetic turquoise turtles. So it's like a little bit fun and again on nautical theme. There is some various lots of findings in different golds to use to make pieces. I also have these really fun little stainless steel shell shaped earrings. So again, something fun to make a quick pair of earrings. And lastly, staying on the nautical theme, we found a mix of really cute sea charms. So you've got a cowrie shell, you've got some starfish, and you have a scallopy shell shape. So something really fun just to keep on to this kind of beachy vibe for this box. And that is everything that was in our January 2026 speed box. So I hope you have enjoyed taking a peek of that. And I'm looking forward to seeing what everybody creates with all of the various beads and bits in their boxes. And I will see you for the next What's in the Box video. Bye for now.